Auto Body Repair Shops Round Rock TX, Local Collision Repairs. Are you looking for the very best car body service center in Round Rock, Texas? Having an accident is a really difficult experience, however one can easily get the damaged car or truck back in a good condition if you find a good car service center to repair the damage to your automobile. Look for somebody who gives a total series of services. Among the mainly widely used ways of discovering a dependable car and truck collision repair shop is word-of-mouth suggestions. You will find a variety of service centers that claim to provide the best services. However, it is best to shortlist those repairers whom any of your pals, family or associates have actually used. Their individual experience with a repairer can assist you to a fantastic extent in making a right decision. Your insurance company is likely to know individuals who can help you with cost-price quotes. In fact, it might even have a group of experts designated to provide crash repair price quotes. Aside from offering quotes after assessing the condition of your car or truck, your insurance company might offer you a list of approved crash service centers where you can go and make the most of your car insurance. To get a better or cheaper estimate, make certain to abide by the company requirements. Contact our effective and expert team to discover more about our numerous services to fulfill your auto body shop requirements. Our professional mechanics have tons of experience, which guarantees you'll get the very best accident repair service. We're waiting to hear from you and to address any questions you might have on how we can best serve your car body needs. Contact us now and let us show you the many alternatives we have to repair your automobile and get you back in your automobile or truck once again. See below for additional information.